Yes, welcome again to our tutorial. I hope that you are enjoying every session that we are doing. If you are new, I encourage you again to subscribe to this channel so that you can be the first one to get our updates. And today I am going to bring to us, or to bring into perspective, another kind of Seben, which is called Seben trois temps. Seben trois temps. I've explained about the temps in my previous in the Seben number 8, I think, and I said that temps, which is a French word, that jargon temps that we use, it is the measuring unit for the musical time. The measuring unit for the musical time, and it is a bit different from one genre to another. So it is a jargon that we use, and today I will try to bring a difference between Seben deux temps, which I spoke in my previous session, and Seben trois temps, which I am talking about today. And as I said, a Seben is a pattern, and everything that we play in a Seben is a pattern. It is a repetition of something that we are doing. And let's keep it simple, let's keep it sweet, and let's make people dance, because that's the aim of a Seben. Basically, this Seben trois temps, according to my understanding, it's not very different from Seben two temps. The only difference is that for the two temps, we are starting from formula 1-4-5-4, but for the trois temps, we are using a formula of 1-5-4-5. 1. So that's I can say that's the difference. If you get that, then you've gotten it. Don't try to understand so many things. I will not explain much. Just get it the way it is. You've gotten it. Now let me pass to action to show you exactly what I was doing. I am playing on the key of A perfect. A perfect. This is A, but I decide to play it here on top. So I am starting with this perfect, the 2 string and fast. The perfect is this one. And remember, the formula is 1, 5, 4, 5, 1. That's 7, 3 temps. So I'm starting. You can choose to play it the way I'm playing, or you can choose to play just. Okay? Start again. Let me start it now faster. Then the temps, I go to the second inversion. Okay? String 2 and 3. Okay? Let me go faster. Okay? Okay, I'm getting. So let me play it now from up to down. Remember the concept of asking question and answering. So the question in this one again will be, now we need to solve that equation. That's the question. Now let me answer it. Okay? Then now the temps. Okay? Hope it is now clear and you can finally understand what I was doing. I was really enjoying myself. So, you know, 7 is something that is supposed to be sweet. It's something that is supposed to excite the one playing and those people who are listening. It's not something that you are just doing as though you are not happy. A 7 time is a celebration time. You know, when you are singing, especially in rumbas, when you are just singing that song slowly, slowly, that is the time of people reflecting on what you are singing about and trying to feel the music. Okay? But when it comes to 7, it is a part where everybody joins in now. Both the musicians and those people who are following the crowd. So let's all dance. Let's now all dance to the tune. And as the 7 goes on, and that man called Ataraku is busy also fueling that 7, making it speak, and trying to follow it, or the 7 following him, and then the 7 becomes alive. So I hope I've encouraged you. You can do it. You can also play 7. You don't have to be from Congo for you to play a good 7. So just do your best, play it, be confident, create your own pattern, be original, because we are not from the same level. We don't have the same culture. We don't have the same taste. So build your own 7 and be confident enough. Always remember to make it simple, to make it sweet, and every 7 is valid. God bless you and see you in our next tutorial. Bye-bye.